Hi, Brian Ochola here, and welcome back again to my studio. Today I'm going to paint this scene that has been an inspiration to me for some time. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. From the heart of Nairobi city center, Limuru tea plantation is located 35 kilometers away. Despite of having low temperatures, it offers a very beautiful scenery that is breathtaking, and so it was the perfect subject to paint. I'll be painting an aerial view of the scenery to show the vast area of the tea plantation of Limuru. On my palette, I'm using the following oil colors: primary cadmium yellow, red ochre, burnt umber, cadmium red, magenta, cobalt blue, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, and titanium white. I am also using Winsor Newton liquid original as my medium. I'm working on a 12 by 9 inches canvas panel that has been toned down with a mixture of turpentine and burnt sienna. I roughly map out my composition with burnt umber using a number 2 synthetic round brush. I then move to the next stage of painting, which is blocking in. My main aim in this stage is to establish loose forms of the elements in my composition. Therefore, I'm not really keen with my colors and my details yet. I'm also using large brushes to cover more ground quickly. I use this technique so that the colors and tones that are established whilst blocking in can be used as a guide for consecutive paint layers. After the blocking layer has dried, I begin the next stage, which I call the construction stage. I start adjusting colors and values and also adjust my forms. I begin working on my sky. Here I'm using titanium white, burnt umber and ultramarine blue, mixing with liquid medium, and I am using number 2 synthetic round brush. I employ the principle of atmospheric perspective while working on the tea plantation. I make shadows look blue as they recede towards the horizon. Increase saturation of colors of my forms as I move towards the foreground. I move to the next step, which is to add details. This is the stage where I add very fine and intricate details. Details should be done using much control and precision, working with a small, fine brush. It's like drawing with your pencil. In this case, I add fine highlights to the clouds. This is also my brightest tones and values. I also adjust colors where needed. I work systematically in sections to avoid confusion while I add the details. I also add my deepest shadows and my brightest highlights in this stage. Happy with how this small painting came out. I'm still on the verge of doing more studies and more full paintings of this scene. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also like, share, and leave me a comment down below. See you in the next video.